Welcome to the first episode of Google Empower Hour. This is going to be a monthly series that you can come back and I'll be talking about a bunch of different things that can impact how you rank on Google. And today we are going to be talking about keywords. And I have been so excited about this event. I've been looking forward to it for weeks because there's a couple reasons why. The first is that I love keywords. I'm obsessed with them. I really want to understand the consumer through their words that they go to Google for. And this part is foundational for any business to be able to understand where their business needs to be to start reaching the top of Google. So if you haven't yet downloaded the Google Roadmap, which this is the first step of, you can go to my website, which you'll see all over the presentation, KaeRaeeducation.com, and you'll see a pop-up that has you sign up. And there's also a bunch of videos to explain each step, which I'll be doing over the next several events for the Google Empower app. So, like I said, it's going to be a monthly strategy to introduce you to different ways to get your Google presence to where you want it to be. Feel free to invite anyone you want to be a part of this community and they may benefit from the secrets and resources that I've started creating. You can just send them to my website, which you'll see all over the presentation. And if you have any questions, feel free to enter them into the chat. And this event is recorded for anyone that wants to watch it later or wasn't able to attend with us right now. So to get us kicked off, about me, I am Kelsey, also known as KaeRae. I am the CEO of KaeRae Marketing. I have been Google certified since 2024, really learning the ins and outs of all Google tools that are available to us for free. I am located in Rochester, New York, and I've worked with many people across the country, and I provide specifically SEO and Google Ads management services. So really the two ways that I focus on getting people to the top of Google are through SEO and Google Ads. And I've recently created two courses, one about SEO and the other about Google Business, which I'll talk a little about today. And then I developed this community to bring together people so that they can learn how to use Google for themselves and be able to benefit from the skills I use for my clients. So to kick us off, what is a keyword? This is a word or phrase that a user uses when they search into Google to find something they need. And there's many reasons why someone might search into Google. So how is your business a solution to those searches or questions? And so we've all used Google to answer our own questions and needs. So we are familiar on how it works, but we want to flip the script and think about who your business helps and what do you need to do to help them. Being able to provide an answer online, online quote, or be able to help them by coming to give them an in-person quote and be able to help them there. So what we want is for your business to be able to answer the consumer's needs and questions through your website, and that is through keywords. And keywords is the language of Google. Being able to know what we want to be found for is to be able to tell Google what those keywords are. And so, do you know what your keywords are? That's a big question. And many business owners may think they know this, but they may only have a surface level of what their keywords are. We're going to go through some foundational pieces of how to figure out other keywords to expand your options. And I'll also walk you through or walk you to the experience that I have recorded to be able to help you through the deep dive of keywords for your business. So different types of keywords. This is where most people are thinking about the industry keyword. And so these are the types of phrases that you say to your customers or to your team every day. These are going to be very common phrases that you are used to speaking to other professionals in your industry or people that know what you do. The next category is taking a step outside yourself and thinking about your consumer and what do you hear them say to you? The first time you're talking to them, if they're asking a question, filling out a contact form, what is their message to you? What are they looking for? Being able to go and put yourself in the mindset of your customer is going to help you find new keywords that are going to be rich with opportunity of other customers that think the same way. Now, during this whole presentation, if you're thinking of keywords, as I mentioned different types, feel free to write them down, capture